The MS Data Science program at IBA is designed for individuals who want to combine analytical thinking, technology, innovation, and to solve real-world challenges.
In today's world, data drives everything, from businesses and healthcare to policy, finance, and other emerging technologies.
From AI and business intelligence to research and advanced analytics, our graduates create impact wherever innovation demands.
With IBA's academic rigor, industrial engagement, and a collaborative ecosystem, we are preparing professionals who are ready to lead in this era of intelligent systems.
Through hands-on learning, research-driven projects, and modern analytical tools, the students learn how to transform data into actionable insights.
So it's not just about collecting data and storing it. It's actually about extracting intelligence from it to solve real business problems.
This is intelligence redefined.